counselor with Nana Palkar. My name is Mati Mahendra. I thank Samyama Foundation, Guruji Mahayogi Madhukarji and Ma Aditi ji for helping us with 21 days of free healing and meditation sessions for our patients. There were 28 people who participated, and I'm happy to say that there has been a very good follow-up by the volunteers, even as far as Assam, and reports are that some of the patients have really benefited from this healing process and they have learned how to meditate, hopefully. I thank the volunteers and wish that they could have another session with our other patients. Thank you.
Namaste and a big hi to all. My name is Soumya and I work for Mangalam Charitable Foundation, which is based in Kharghar, right opposite Tata Memorial Hospital at Track. I'm very happy and grateful to one of the foundations whose name is Samyama Foundation, Guruji Mahayogi Madhukarji and Ma Aditi ji for giving us, especially our patients who reside in Mangalam, a very, very, very excellent and calm healing. This healing was unknown to us till one of the volunteers, Miss Neena ji, approached us and she told how beneficial it can be. And you can see the changes in all of my attendees who have taken this course for 21 days, free of cost, arranged by Samyama. I also would like to thank Anish Rao and Rachna ji for bringing this to our notice. Otherwise, we would have missed out something which could not have been heard before. At the very first meet with Mrs. Neena ji, I decided let's have a Zoom session with both of them who are based in Dubai. And this session proved to be a really turn-on point for all of us. The keen patients, they were keenly involved. They religiously followed all the instructions given by the volunteers, and a tremendous change has been procured by them. Always we like to be very, very thankful to Ma Aditi ji and Guruji Mahayogi Madhukarji. I believe the free session may not come again, but still, if the people, if the patients, especially the cancer patient, if they are ready to spare some time, we can arrange any kind of session with them. May this foundation have a global existence, and it is really a turning point for my patient. I'm very happy, grateful to all of the people who are associated with Mangalam Foundation and Samaya Foundation. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. On behalf of Deepshikha Cancer Care Foundation, I am highly grateful to Samyama Foundation, Guruji Mahayogi Madhukarji and Ma Aditi ji. इनकी वजह से हमारे जो पेशेंट्स हैं उन्हें जो फ़ायदा होगा, जो इनर हीलिंग होगी, हम जो भी कार्य करते हैं इसमें दिस इज़ कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट. सो वी आर वन हाफ एंड दिस इज़ द अदर हाफ. सो दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो आवर पेशेंट्स आर गेटिंग अ कंप्लीट पैकेज. We look after the physical aspect, they're looking after the inner, the spiritual aspect, the emotional aspect, which is providing a lot of inner strength to our patients, which will definitely help them in the long run and makes us feel good. We are really, really happy to associate with Samyam Foundation. It was a good luck that we happened to meet members and matters happened very fast. In a very short time, the effort put in by Neena ji and others has helped us, and it's going very smoothly. We are really very grateful and we look forward to associating with you in the future too. Thank you so much.
I'm Aryaman Devashish Sharma and I represent the Deepshikha Cancer Care Foundation. I would heartily like to thank the Samyam Foundation and Guruji Mahayogi Madhukarji and Ma Aditi ji. And I'm so grateful for this link between the Samyam Foundation and the Deepshika Foundation, and the fact that meditation gives the power to people to cleanse themselves and get in touch with themselves and to empower themselves. It is such a beautiful thing that is happening, and I would really, really like to express my gratitude from the innermost core of my heart. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm very thankful to Nina ma'am, who is also a cancer survivor. Just recently I got to know that, and she is so laughing, and she always say that she is very thankful to cancer, and because of cancer she got her path in life, and how she is surviving, how she is helping other cancer patients. It is very good to see that. I'd like to thank Guruji, Mahayogi Madhukarji, and Ma Aditi ji, and the Somyama Foundation for this wonderful session. And on behalf of Deepshika, I would like to thank all the patients who have participated in this event.